That's right, push it. You got this. You're amazing. You are worthy. You are more than enough. You deserve all things good, all things great. Y'all went up those steps. It was hard, but you made it to the top. And y'all chilled out at the top. Relax, enjoy, bask in your win and your success. And then all of a sudden, you went downhill. You went down fast with momentum. You were running down the hill. Sabotage, fail, doubt, fear, hesitation, doubt, fear, sabotage. Say it over and over again. Then you sat down there for 2 seconds and said, you know what? I don't like the way this even feels down here. This is not me. This is not my story. You turned around and you decided to take another path. You thought maybe this time it would be a little bit easier. But it ain't easier. It might even be a little bit more challenging. But this journey though, because I've already been up here before, right? I already know what it feels like. So this time, the journey is different. This time, the journey is different. I'm going to the top and I'm staying up there.
Yeah.
I'm going to the top and I'm staying up there. That's where I belong. That's where my purpose lives.